Do you know what fungi is? What is the role of fungi? Are they important? In the quiet layers of Earth's soil, where roots weave and shadows fall, lives a hidden kingdom that sustains life itself: fungi. Though often overlooked, these organisms form one of the most ancient and essential forces in nature. Their silent work goes unnoticed by the human eye, yet every forest, field, and even breath of air carries their influence. Fungi are not merely mushrooms rising after the rain. They are the unseen architects of ecosystems, guiding balance, recycling matter, and building bridges of connection between all living things. Their story is the hidden heartbeat of life on Earth. A mushroom is only the fruiting body of a fungus, like the apple on a tree. The real fungus is mostly hidden underground or inside decaying material, as a network of tiny threads called mycelium. The mushroom's job is reproduction. It produces and releases spores, which spread to new places and grow into more fungi. So when you see a mushroom on the forest floor, you're only seeing a small part of the whole organism. The vast majority of the fungus is invisible, working silently beneath the surface. Nature's recyclers, one of the most vital roles fungi play is decomposition. They break down fallen leaves, dead trees, and even animal remains into nutrients that enrich the soil. Without fungi, organic waste would pile endlessly, drowning ecosystems in their own debris. By unlocking nutrients and releasing them back into the environment, fungi ensure that life continues in cycles, where endings become new beginnings. They are nature's invisible caretakers, transforming decay into fertility. Mycorrhizal partnerships beneath our feet, fungi form profound partnerships with plant roots, known as mycorrhizae. Through delicate filaments, fungi trade minerals and water in exchange for sugars from photosynthesis. This mutual exchange strengthens both partners, allowing plants to thrive in poor soils and fungi to find nourishment. Nearly 90% of plant species depend on this alliance. Without fungal partners, forests would struggle to grow, and fields would lose their fertility. The underground network fungi are more than partners. They are also connectors. Their mycelial networks stretch like vast underground webs, linking trees and plants together. Scientists often call this the wood wide web because it allows plants to communicate and share resources. Older, stronger trees can send nutrients to younger saplings, while stressed plants send warnings through fungal channels. This hidden web shapes not just survival, but the very balance of forests. Guardians of health fungi also protect life in unseen ways. Some species produce compounds that defend plants against harmful microbes and pests. These same chemicals have given humanity powerful medicines, the most famous being penicillin. Beyond antibiotics, fungi provide immune boosters, anti-cancer agents, and even cholesterol-lowering drugs. Their hidden chemistry is a gift from nature, reminding us that healing often comes from the quietest corners of life. Pioneers of new lands where life struggles to begin. Fungi pave the way. In barren landscapes, they join with algae to form lichens, capable of surviving on bare rocks and harsh conditions. Together, they slowly break down stone, producing the first fragile soils. These soils allow mosses, plants, and eventually entire ecosystems to grow. Without fungi's pioneering presence, many landscapes would remain lifeless and silent. Masters of adaptation fungi are masters of survival. They thrive in caves, mountaintops, deserts, and even frozen tundra. Some live inside insects, others withstand radiation. In places where life seems impossible, this adaptability makes them vital stabilizers of ecosystems under changing conditions. Wherever life struggles, fungi adapt, protect, and persist. Silent climate regulators. Beyond soil and roots, fungi shape the atmosphere itself. By storing carbon underground, they play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. In forests, mycorrhizal fungi help trees capture and lock away carbon dioxide. Without this hidden service, more carbon would linger in the air, warming the planet. Fungi are silent regulators of balance, stabilizing the Earth we depend on, natural healers of the Earth. Fungi possess a remarkable ability to cleanse and heal the planet. Certain species absorb heavy metals, degrade oil spills, and even digest plastics. This process, called mycoremediation, reveals fungi as nature's own environmental healers. In polluted soils and rivers, they quietly restore health, reducing harm, renewing life. If nurtured, fungi could become humanity's strongest allies in repairing the earth. Partners in human culture. For thousands of years, humanity has relied on fungi. They give us bread, cheese, wine, and countless flavors that enrich tradition. From ancient brewers to modern kitchens, fungi have shaped our culture. Beyond food, they inspire art, spirituality, and scientific discovery. Their influence flows through nearly every part of human life. The architects of biodiversity. By recycling matter, enriching soils, and sustaining plants, fungi indirectly support all animals. Birds, insects, and mammals depend on fungal-powered ecosystems. Some even feed directly on fungi as food. Without them, ecosystems would collapse. They are the quiet architects of biodiversity, sustaining the richness of life we see around us. Lessons of interconnection. Fungi teach us lessons about connection. Their networks show that survival is not only about competition, but also about sharing. Life is a web, and every thread supports another. The health of a forest, a meadow, or even a single garden depends on unseen fungal ties. In their silence, fungi whisper, strength lies in unity. Resilience is born from connection. Mysteries yet to be unveiled. Despite centuries of study, we have only discovered a fraction of fungal species. Millions remain unknown, waiting to be understood. Each undiscovered one may hold secrets of medicine, ecology, or even survival. They are the hidden frontier of biology, mysteries beneath our feet. Fungi remain nature's most silent enigma, human dependence. Though rarely acknowledged, humanity's survival is tied to fungi. Our food, our medicines, our ecosystems, even climate stability, all depend on them. Without fungi, soils would lose fertility, forests would collapse, and human life would falter. They do not demand recognition, yet our lives rest upon their unseen labor. To understand fungi is to understand our own survival. In the end, the hidden role of fungi is a story of silent power and profound importance. They recycle, connect, protect, and heal, weaving life together in unseen ways. Beneath every forest floor, in every handful of soil, and in the medicines we use, their presence whispers of renewal. Fungi are not just organisms, they are life's great connectors, holding the world together. To honor fungi is to honor the unseen heart of nature itself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep going forward.